Now, Channel 3 early morning weather with Chief Meteorologist Bruce DePriest.
It is going to be a great evening for football. As you saw, the sun is still shining in New Britain, but the sun's going to be going down at 6:26. And when it does, it's going to get chilly very, very fast. But we don't have to worry about rain. Early warning pinpoint Doppler is scanning the state dry right now. A beautiful sky in Torrington, nice and blue there. There's our iCam in New London, a deep blue sky with the clean, crisp autumn air in place. And we look at our camera in Waterbury, you can see that we had sunny skies over the last few hours with a few clouds beginning to move into the sky and the couple of final frames that you see there. But overall, it's a terrific evening for football. And with more on what's going on in New Britain this evening, let's go back out there to Mike Cameron, who has your Friday night football forecast. Mike.
Bruce, it is beautiful out here. The sky is so blue, and the forecast is for a pretty quick cool-off. Of course, the game is going to be starting right at 6:30, right after sunset, so that's when we're going to see the most rapid cooling. So I did say 58 degrees, but I think for the duration of the game, you really need to plan on it being kind of chilly, especially toward the end of it. I'd say probably mid to lower 50s at any rate. And when you factor in the breeze, there's still a little bit of breeze out of the north-northeast. I think that's also going to have to be in play when you think about what you're going to be wearing here. Of course, it's a huge stadium, and so when you're up, especially in the higher bleachers, I think there is where you're still going to feel some of that breeze, that's for sure. But you can't really get away from it. The sky is just so beautiful. Notice how the flag right now is not flying. I saw it flying a little bit a while ago when there was a little bit more of a breeze. Hope is that the wind will stay low, but you know how it goes, Bruce. If anybody knows, you do know that when you have a wind, it actually helps keep temperatures up. Either way, though, I think you're probably going to want a sweater or a jacket or something, that's for sure. And I hear this is going to be one hot game tonight, too. It's going to be really active. Joe already told you that, so there's going to be a lot of fun things going on here. One final note, too. It's not cool enough tonight that there isn't an ice cream truck. I saw one drive by, so there's some goodies here as well. Bruce, we'll send it back to you. I guess there is a warm-up coming up in the next 7 days.
That's right. You know, our Columbus Day weekend, Mike, is going to get off to a very cool start, if not chilly tonight. But we're going to be talking about temperatures not too far away from 80 before the weekend is over. All right now we're in the 60s. You know, the normal high for today is 67 degrees for the greater Hartford area. And look at that, we're at 66 degrees right now. Some places in southern Connecticut made it close to 70 today, but overall a seasonably cool day. The air is dry. Dew points across interior portions of the state are in the 40s. And with clear skies and light winds, that's going to allow for a big temperature drop. So we're calm in Meriden right now, calm in Chester. Other parts of the state, there's a bit more of a breeze, a southeasterly breeze in Groton at 14 miles an hour. And it's this ocean flow that may allow some clouds to work into at least parts of the state as we go through tonight. We already saw a few clouds moving into Waterbury a little while ago. Now off to our north. Well, there's no frost threat here in Connecticut, but off to our north, look at that, in Vermont, New Hampshire, and portions of Maine, not only a frost advisory, but a freeze warning in portions of northern New England. Right now it's 66 degrees in Hartford, but Boston is 57, so is Nantucket. Portland, Maine is 55, so it's already cool up across northern New England. And the big question is how much clear sky will we have tonight? Right now it is mainly clear, but we have a few high clouds moving in from the west tonight. In addition to that, with a little bit of an ocean flow, there might be some low clouds moving into parts of Connecticut as the night wears on. So Futurecast shows kind of that, a little bit of ocean cloud cover moving into parts of the state overnight, which may help to hold temperatures up. And then during the day tomorrow, with high pressure in place, it's a mix of clouds and sunshine. We stay dry, and then on Sunday, a front kind of moves southward across Massachusetts and Connecticut. So I think we'll see a little bit of sun, a lot of clouds, and then during the afternoon, there is a chance for a spot shower, especially in northern portions of the state. Most of the day will be dry, and there should be enough sun just to get temperatures up into the 70s, maybe close to 80 in southern Connecticut. But tonight we're going to be mostly in the 40s, and your highs for tomorrow reaching, let's say, between 65 and 70, the upper 60s for much of the state. Here's your 7-day forecast. Sunday, upper 70s, a lot of clouds, a little sun, and maybe that afternoon shower in some spots. And then Monday, Columbus Day, I'd say partly to mostly cloudy and a high of 73. I can't rule out a sprinkle or some drizzle Monday morning, but a good part of the day will be dry. And then Tuesday, we start to warm up into the 70s, and by Wednesday, we're in the 80s. Thursday, some showers and storms that could produce some locally heavy rainfall and then back to some cooler, drier weather a week from now with a high of 72 next Friday. For the shoreline tomorrow, a very comfortable day with a high of 67.